Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sushant Chesswise. Today we are at the next topic, that is the endgame studies explained. We are at the 81st position of our topic. We have got a very interesting position here, not very difficult but slightly tricky. White to play and win it is. Let's get down to the position and see what happens here. We see a race of pawn coming up. H pawn is about to queen and black also has the A pawn which can queen. After the move H4 there is A5 and B5, but we see that whenever H pawn queens on H8 it guards the A1 square, and the study is basically based on that idea, but it's not as simple as it looks. There are some complications. So after H4, A into B5, H5, B4, H6, B3, H7, B2, H8, B1. The game will be drawn. So white has to go with the move B6 check. When it looks like now it's very easy, because after KB6, H4, A5, H5, A4, H6, A3, H7, A2, we see that H8 queen controls the A1 queening square for the black pawn and white wins. In fact, black has a far better defensive try here with the move king B8. So black is trying to create a stalemate technique here. H4, A5, H5, A4, H6, A3, H7, A2, H8 equal to queen, A1 equal to queen. When queen takes queen leads to stalemate. So now white is under the obligation to prove his advantage. How can white win here? Because if he goes for a move like queen f8, then black has queen a3, instantly attacking the queen. Again queen cannot take, and after any move like queen e8, there is a simple draw with queen d6 check, q d7, q f8 check, and again queen d6. It will be repetition of moves. After the instant queen e8, black has q g7, stopping the move kd7 and ke7 both. And we see that the white queen is not having any place on the 8th rank now. So this also cannot be won by white. Thus white has to play the move qg8. Now there are two threats, king d7 and ke7. So queen d4 check would fail to ke7 when white will checkmate black. Thus queen a2 forced, queen moves to e8. This time there is no place on the g7 square. So queen a4 again forced. And here again white uses the idea queen e5 check. Do note that after ke7, queen into queen, king into queen, the black king can simply hide on the a8 square. Queen e5 check, king a8 forced, and here we are seeing a geometric maneuver by the queen. White can play the move queen h8. So queen moves in a geometric pattern. It went straight, came up, and then again goes back diagonally to the h8 square. So this is the uniqueness of the position, and now we see that suddenly there is nothing that black can do. First main point is, because the king went on a8, queen a1, then queen into a1 will be checked this time, and anything else allows kc7 or ke7, which will lead to checkmate. Thus white will mate black in couple of moves, maybe queen h4 check, queen takes h4, kb8 followed by queen f4 check, or even kd7 threatening queen h8 check and mates. I hope you are finding these positions useful. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for your time.